Welcome back Office Executives. In this particular Excel video, I will be discussing on the topic of how to create a custom autofill in Excel. So you all know that if we write here Jan and then drag it, the autofill works in this way. So January, February, March, April, May. In the similar way, if we just write 1 and then 2 and select it, and also if I write mon and then drag, then it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So my question is, if we want to create a custom this custom list, how can we do so? So we need to click on File, and from there we need to click on these options, and from there we need to click on uh, Advance, and then scroll all the way across to the down. There is an option for Edit Custom List. This particular option, create this option. From there click on Add, and then write the suppose you will be creating autofill for names. So Ramesh, Suresh, Alok, Manoj, Kiran, and then click on Add. So here the names are being added up. So now click on OK. So now if I just click on Ramesh, then enter, and now if we just drag all the way across to the down, we'll be getting Ramesh, Suresh, Alok, Manoj, Kiran. So the names are getting repeated. So after Kiran, so I entered only Ramesh, Suresh, Alok, Manoj and Kiran. I entered only 5 names. So let's check it out. Go to File and then go to Options. From there go to the Advanced section, and here is the option for the Edit Custom List. So here it is Ramesh, Suresh, Alok. So also we can so here are 5 names, 1 2 3 4 5. Also we can, maybe we'll be doing something like a over designation, OE, then technical, then group 2, then maybe OE technical, clerk, and then clerk, and then HR, manager. So so instead of writing in there, we can do it in both of the ways. We can go there and we can go to this file and then go to this option section, and from there we can just click on this Advance, and from there select this particular option, Edit Custom List. From here we can click on Add and write the values, or we can click on this particular option, Import, and then select all of these values and then click on Add. We can do it both of this way. So as you can see that uh, import, here the values are being imported. So we can just click on this import and then click the range of cell and then click on import again. So now the values are being added. Here it is showing custom list, then hit OK. Now here then click OK again. Now here if we write OE and hit enter, and then if we drag it, so the values would get repeated up to manager. If we go to a new sheet, and then there also if we write OE and then hit enter, the values would get reflected whatever custom list we just created a while ago. Now if I press Ctrl N, that's a new workbook. Here it is showing book 1, that's a new blank workbook. Here also if we write here Ramesh and then drag the values, drag in here, the values would show up whatever we just created the list. Accordingly the values would get populated. So you can go to the file section and then go to the options. Until and unless we delete those values will just keep on populating according to the autofill option. So here there is option for Edit Custom List, and we need to delete from in here OE technical, delete. Okay. So now after deleting this the list which we have created, now if we just write in here, then hit OK. Now if we just beside it, if we write OE and then try to drag all the way across to the down, the list won't get populated. So that's Excel short tips and tricks on how you can create a custom autofill in Excel. That's all for this video session, guys. Thank you all, guys.